The six-man judicial panel of inquiry led by Justice Judge Amerigi investigating the administration of former Governor Chibuike Amaechi, dotting their I's and crossing their T's on the final day of their sitting in Port Harcourt, Rivers State.
After the payments of the sum of $39,200,000.
After a few submissions, the Council of the Commission concludes that those who failed to appear before it have lost the right to complain.
The party who has knowledge of the tendency of the proceeding and who has given received notice, but who decides not to participate in the proceeding, does so at his own peril and should not be held to complain thereafter.
But lawyer to the APC in the state insists that the constitution of the panel was in error in the first place.
Ab initio, the governor of Rivers State, when he said the commission should go ahead and investigate the illegal sale of the power plants under the administration of Chibuike Amaechi, that presupposes some prejudice.
Members of the panel, however, proceed to the site of the disputed Caribbean White Hospital in Omagua. The place is desolate, with telltale signs of an abandoned project.
The governor raised objections as to the pace of work that was being done by the contractor, given the 3.9 billion naira paid to him. The then governor cried out, reported the matter to the police. And nobody wants to remember that there was a time in this state when the revenues accruing to Rivers State were taken away and shared to our neighboring states, which affected all the projects, all the good projects that Amaechi planned.
The reasons given recently after the setup of the Justice Amerigi panel is specious. The governor orchestrated the arrest and detention of one of the partners. Under some nebulous circumstances, he was released. And I have the settled conviction that he was released because the former governor suddenly realized that if he had continued with that matter, he would have been guilty.
As both parties continue to trade words on allegations of corruption against the former administration, the panel is expected to submit its report in the coming days. Emmanuel Ere, Channels Television News.